I've just arrived in Hokkaido and it's a little bit, we only have a few minutes to 4 p.m. and we're so excited to eat convenience store food. Chicken meatball. Shit!
Why?
I dropped!
Where?
Oh, your shirt!
Why?
Oh my god, it smells like chili crab.
Fuck yeah!
Yum. Hi everyone, we are currently at a pit stop at very near Niseko where we are going to have our photo shoot tomorrow, and we found a really nice spot to take pictures of ourselves in front of Mount YOTEI. And you see who's over there, camera ready, looking nice. Wow, it's been really very nice like the view and the sunset. I tell you, sunset is just really one of my favorite things, and I cannot wait for the rest of the trip. This accommodation is so awesome. Look at the makeup lighting. Look.
Who is showing me? Oh, yeah, got it.
This hot cocoa really hits the spot.
She's in love with the cocoa.
This hot cocoa, don't be lame. Go here and eat. Good morning! It's day 2 and we're going to be doing Ming's most awaited activity for the trip, and you should guess what it is. I tell you, after we do this activity, right, we can go home already.
Yeah, okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.
You never tell me what's the activity.
Fishing.
Yeah,
For
fishing.
salmon and trout. Yeah, baby.
Oh, our car is here. Okay. As you can tell from my puffy face, my sleep was really good last night. Okay, it wasn't like super good because the pillow was very small, but I think because the environment is really so quiet that I don't have to hear all the drilling, all the crow, the crow singing in the morning. So I woke up really nicely. Wow, but their sunrise here was really early, way before 6 a.m. So I woke up at 6. What's the temperature now, babe?
19 degrees Celsius.
Check this out, Mount Liner for $2.90.
The water is pretty clear, so you can see the fish.
Wow.
Nice.
But they can see us too.
Oh, yeah, that's true, that's true.
Yeah.
Taking a quick break. I think it's been about an hour and I got a bite and I let it go. It could be my only bite of the day.
Then you let it go.
I never set properly. I don't know how to set lah, idiot.
You know how to set tandoori, this one don't know how to set me.
I never set tandoori one. They just bite and then they hook on.
Let's go to pond number 5. Because 12:30 they are going to feed the fish. So apparently Mr. Arata-san say it is a good time. I think it's over here. Let's go and see.
Okay. Yeah.
Arigatou gozaimasu. We got it, boys. We got it.
It's about 12 o'clock now.
No, babe. I think it's 1.
Okay, and it's starting to feel hot.
But still cooling. I don't know how to tell you.
No, it's not.
It's cooling like the air, you know?
The wind is cooling actually.
Yeah.
But if there's no wind, you can feel the heat radiating. But it's like, I think this is the hottest you can get, right? I mean, how hot will it get?
I think this is the hottest you can get.
Yeah. What do we feel like eating?
Yoshinoya, Moss Burger.
All things that we can find in Singapore.
But
like a dry area. So we have a photo shoot coming up at Takahashi Farm. It's at 6:30. It's 3:30 now. We're going to take away our Sukiya. We'll go back home, get a quick shower, change, and then actually our photo shoot is only 20 minutes. So we're going to rehearse some poses.
I think the photographer will tell us how to shoot.
Yeah, but we have to be ready also. It's only 20 minutes. She give direction all. Very fast, we only have like maybe 5 shots. So I'm going to go on Xiaohongshu to find some couple poses and hopefully it'll be a success. Oh my god, the weather is... So we're supposed to go for a photo shoot right now, meet the photographer at
6:30.
and now it's what time?
6:20.
6:20 and we just left! I swear, oh my god, I tell you we tried to be early already, like we reached hotel 2 hours before.
Pay attention to the driving speed.
So he's a little speedy right now because we're late. So I think can
Again,
hopefully
time
no
6:26.
crash and have to U-turn or whatever BS.
6:26 can reach. I swear we are always the late couple.
But look at the weather, it's just not it
Couple of late people.
Okay, the photo shoot went by just like that and the photographer was really quick with her poses. Shut up, my god.
Please.
Okay, yeah, so photographer okay. Okay, so the photo shoot was shut up. Anyways, the photo shoot went by in a flash. Oh my god! And look, my freaking eyelash is like all over the place. Okay, but anyways, yeah, I didn't get a chance to vlog because I was so freaking flustered, and Ming is now sweating like heck.
I'm not sweating my head.
I can feel you sweating like heck.
Oh, just now I just broke a little sweat. But it was very cooling weather.
You broke because okay, you know why he broke a little sweat? Because he had to carry me.
Yeah lah, you this freaking muscle mummy gym so much.
So my muscle are very heavy, huh?
Yeah, you have the triceps of emasculation.
Check out the fit.
Thank you.
I always need to order fried rice when there's fried rice on the menu. Had a second dinner today, and guess what we're doing now?
Chunky.
Yeah, our first ever karaoke in Japan. are so shocked at the service that the gas station attendants gave us. Tell them.
Wow, it's freaking crazy, man, the experience. Firstly, when we first arrived, they will run out from the petrol station. Really run for their life like that.
We
And
thought like, oh my god, what kind of emergency is this?
yeah, I thought like he's going to run to see his friend or something, or they want to take something. But no, they actually run to you, right, and want to help you pump the petrol.
Yeah, they want to make sure that they don't waste any of your time. And then they'll run to you, and then they will ask you to move forward, and then stop at the perfect place. And the petrol cable is dangling from the top, so
Yeah.
they will just pull to wherever your petrol cap is, rather than on the right or the left. And then
The most awesome thing is you don't even have to freaking get out of your car. I was like, I want to take out my seatbelt already, then he's like, he's just waiting for me. Then like, oh, is it he don't want me to come down? Then I tell him, I Google Translate, can I have a full tank of red color, please? Then he say, okay, cash or card? Then I say card. I pass him my card, and then
he wants you to close your freaking
yeah,
door.
and he closed my door for
He
me.
closed
I'm
ah.
like, what the hell? Okay. Wow, but so awesome, man.
Yeah, and then when they are done charging your card, they'll knock on your door and then be like, okay, done. Then close back the door. We're at our first stop in Otaru.
Hello. Finally reached Otaru after 1.5 hours.
Yes, we're going to eat some hot soba and then we'll move on to the aquarium.
Thank you. No, this is the one we want to catch.
Side eye, he side eye you. He
Very
keep
big.
judging you, bro.
Yes, yeah. Damn.
Is that otter, right?
Don't know.
Oh, baby, look at that, look at that, look at that.
こんにちは。本日は小樽水族館イルカスタジアムへようこそお越しくださいました。
I see photo.
Huh?
Poku-chan is so cute.
Bagu-chan. Litty also cute what?
It is beautiful.
Oh my god, look at Toa. I think Toa is the cutest.
Okay, babe. Wait, which is your favorite attraction? We just finished Otaru Aquarium, so in 3, 2, 1, we will both say our favorite attraction. Okay?
Wait.
Okay? You think ready not?
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
The
Penguin.
otter.
Oh,
Okay,
lah.
but penguin is my second.
Okay, actually otter is my second. Okay lah, both are good. Hi.
We just had dinner. I had sukiyaki and he
I
had.
had curry rice.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And we had a few hours of downtime of us feeling very hurt.
Basically, I had quite severe diarrhea, shooting water on my ass.
You don't have to say that, just
Yeah,
say
but
diarrhea, that's all.
It was nasty.
Yeah, and I was very tired. I think the check-in process for the Otaru hotel is not the best lah. We had to wait very long. Because we were pampered in Niseko, the ghost town, we don't have to wait for anything. So we were like culture shock again. But anyways, after this very warm dinner, and we are now heading to Otaru Canal.
Yep.
It's said to be a very romantic place. I don't know.
Romantic.
We actually intended to just go back home after, go back to the hotel after our dinner. But now that we are a little bit more energized, we decided to just go and visit the canal
Yep.
and see what it has to offer. Hopefully, it'll be great. We're heading to BA today. Very exciting stuff.
See some motherfucking animals. Iwamizawa R&R.
Yes.
109 km to Awashima. Right.
Asahiyama?
Asahiyama.
We've arrived at Asahiyama Zoo and we have lots to explore today.
Okay, so I suggest, right?
Huh?
We just do that clockwise direction and you come back.
I like how the enclosures are designed. They really give you a 360 view. You thought that one view is all you have, but there are other viewing decks at the bottom, at the left, on the right. Practically the animals have no privacy. Me and Ming just saw a very loving moment.
Yeah, the chimpanzee drinking milk.
And then the mom sayang the baby, and the father looks at, I think it's the father.
Maybe it's the uncle. Maybe the father run away.
But yeah, the whole family they just let the baby be. So cute. Fly! Okay.
Maybe you're like one go and take the luggage.
Hey everyone! Going for a run in this very beautiful town. It's mountainous and sun is setting. It's just my favorite time of the day. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Hi everyone, we just took a shower and now we're heading to dinner.
Yeah.
What are we having, baby?
Western? Because you're sick of Japanese food.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a bit overdressed. I kind of ran out of casual clothes. I figured that we were going shopping, but we didn't in the end, so the wedding dinner fit it is.
Everybody sleeps early here.
What's this, baby? Alright. Where are we now?
Hut Hill Observation Deck.
It's 10 PM and the roads of Furano are completely empty. And he asked me to go and see the stars.
A bit regretting it now.
Why?
Because a bit scary. Abort mission. Time to head to civilization.
I don't even know what. What?
Last night in last night in Furano. So sad. We're gonna return the car tomorrow evening and then fly to Osaka for 1.5 days before head back to Singapore.
1.5 days of crazy shopping. But today's plan is very simple. We're just gonna be in nature. We are going to be hiking. That's it. Taking lots of nice pictures, making nice memories.
the thing, please.
For the past few hotel accommodations that we stayed, we always offer no breakfast because we want to save money. Then this time our accommodation is Airbnb, but we come to a hotel to eat breakfast. Wow, looks so good, babe. The lighting. Eat.
The bread looks really good.
Where do you hide it?
It's always in my bag. Because I know you won't touch my bag, you're damn lazy. Nice. BA Mountain, I think.
BA Mountain.
Mount BA.
Oh, so this is the first mountain that we are climbing together.
Yeah. Actually,
Yes, the view is really good here leh. Look. Wow.
kind of hungry now. Actually. How about you, babe?
I think we're on a hunt for luggage because actually our luggage broke. And we want to go shopping, so we need more luggage space.
Yeah, actually got quite a lot of, not only marché leh. We just go past quite a few departmental stores.
Okay. You want to stop by or just go market?
No marché also.
Update. We can't find the luggage. So we are now eating dessert. This is... Thanks. This is chocolate banana crepe. It's very soft, it has whipped cream in it, and I don't know what, but it's like literally the best crepe I've ever eaten. Okay, I don't like crepes actually.
Can I try?
Can. It's not really that cheap, you know.
Okay, not like below $10.
Found it!
The sun is setting, babe.
Yeah.
Okay, babe, what are we getting?
Final day in Hokkaido.
Degrees.
26 degrees right now and the sun is shining really, really brightly. And we are here at Farm Tomita, looking at the lavender fields and all the different flowers. I showed him some Xiaohongshu inspo videos. So hopefully help me take nice flower pictures.
Nice.
Taking a short break to have the very famous and raved about lavender ice cream because it's really so hot before we continue. And I think Ming did a good job taking pictures of me in the lavender fields. Thanks, babe.
Okay.